Hello there. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with speech generation on Spitch. Now I have this code put together. I'm going to be explaining it line by line. So the first thing you want to do is to install Spitch. So if you haven't done that already, head over to your terminal and type in pip install Spitch. But I have mine installed already, so I'm just going to remove that. So moving on, we'll be looking at the models. The two major models you need are speech and OS. Then you need to set up your API key. You can get your API key from dev.speech.com. Then finally, we are going to structure this in such a way that the user can type in input text, language, and voice. We have a bunch of voices available that you can check out on our docs. Then we want to generate the audio file. So the user puts in an input text and we pass that text using the language and voice and record that voice in a file. So this file is genaudio.wav, but I think I already have that in my directory. So I'm just going to relabel it as genaudio2. Okay, now that I've saved my file, I'm going to go ahead and run Python speech generation.py. So the text I'm going to be using is all the places you go, wherever you are, do your best and you shall topple all the rest. Shall. So this is an English text and I'm going to be generating an audio using the voice cleaner. Okay, and that's done. So I'm going to head over and play the audio, and in just less than 5 seconds you've been able to generate audio rather, using text and speech. So head over to dev.speech.com, sign up, get your API keys and start coding.